Shvend, have you completed your talk? Because I don't know how many people have done.
No, no, Shivendra didn't say anything yet.
Okay, Shvend, are you here? Okay, let it go. Venkesh, have you finished your talk?
Yeah, yeah, he has already completed.
Ayan also. Rajat?
Rajat, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Rajat, go ahead.
Okay. Education. Purpose of education. I think lots of person are saying if we will get good education, then we will go in a big company for the earning. So I think it is not right. It's a wrong totally meaning of education, because from the education we will learn how can we survive in the society and how can we do behavior with the person. Like I know lots of persons, they are educated but they have not good behavior, and I think they are not given the respect on elders and like poor person. Okay, so I think it is not the meaning of education. Like if you will go in a college, yeah, in a school, then you will learn like good manners and good behavior. So it's a real meaning of education, because yeah, I think in this time lots of person available, they have uneducated, they are uneducated, but they have good manners. Okay, and they are given the respect of the person. So I think they are educated person, they are not uneducated person according to my knowledge. And then I saw lots of like around of my area, I saw lots of person, they have not a like good education, not a degree, but they are earning good money from on skills and from on knowledge. So yeah, that's it. Like education means is a manners and behavior. Yeah, that's it from my side.
Okay, definitely that's a good point raises by Raja said that if you have completed your education, it's not, I mean, you just learn for money. You have to know something according to your character, your confidence. You should work on it. Definitely. Okay, Shivendra, now you can start.
Yeah, hello. Hi everyone. I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay. So yeah, Rajat bro, you're right. Education purpose is main. Uh, okay, just wait. Yeah. So what is purpose of education? Okay. So education mean to not like that only earning money. Okay. Yeah, it's depend on your behavior after your like education. Okay, and manner. Rajat. Rajat bro also mentioned. Okay, so yeah, it's a great point according to me. And yeah, when you have great knowledge, then you have a great education. So that's you can start your startup, any companies, okay, and for earn money, okay, and making money. So it's a good and according to me, when yeah, not only purpose earning money and like not anything, but yeah, importance is manner and behavior, your what is your character, okay, confidence also. Okay, so it's a main motive. Okay, not only earn money. Yeah, when you have knowledge and when you do like education, so you can definitely do make money. Okay, and definitely you survive in your life and after future time. And in your life, like your family is not have any problem when you have like more money. So knowledge is important, not only degree, not only education. Okay, so thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, Kajol, now you
Yeah.
can start. Hmm.
Yeah, I want to say that no doubt education is very important, and I think for me, education is all about to grow in right direction. And when you educate yourself, you are able to like take decision like very wisely. I think because education play a great role to take decision in our life also. like when children grows, so parents provide them the education because they can teach them what is right or what is wrong. like like 50 years or 100 years back, when the people didn't take education and had not get educated. So sometimes what happens that landlords and the the richest people in the village, get take money from them. So I think most of the unusual thing had happened because of lack of education. But mm, when the number of education is increases, it play a great role in development. Like we have a great example of America. Because of education, the growth of America is also high. So I think education play a great role in in our life, because it also helps us to develop in different manner in different sector. And no doubt, and in my opinion, education is not about if you are doing any degree or anything. It is not about degree, it is about how you grow yourself. That's it. Because sometimes we see like Sandeep Maheshwari is also a great example, because he had already only completed his 12th, and he is a pass he didn't complete his graduation, but still he is a educate people. When we see in their videos, you just when you see his video, you get to know how knowledgeable he is. So I think it's not about degree, it is about how you grow yourself in right direction. That's it. So that's my point.
Of course.
Hmm.
Good.
Of course, that's a good point you raised. Okay, so I would like to also share some points regarding to purpose of education, because if I talk about education, so you can say education is that way through them we can put our views, our points amongst the people. Suppose if you have education, you can put your views amongst the people. Without education, you can't be survive. I think because in education, if you compare any two peoples who are educated and someone is uneducated, so you can see difference easily. I'm not saying if they just talk, if they just stand, if they just say anything, you can easily pick up that they have lack of education. But it's not a mean that education means that you are bachelor or masters or you have whole degree of PhD as well. So what is the main features, what is the main purpose of education as far as I'm concerned? That triple C. So if I give you some full form of triple C, which is C for confidence, C for creativity, and C for character buildings. If you have all the three characteristics in yourself, then you can say that you are educated. Because now you can say some people, they have completed their degree, masters, and PhD, but they have no confidence in their self. If you just ask them something, they have lack of confidence. They can't express themselves. Even though if you ask them about their subject or their major, they can't express themselves. And the second thing is creativity. I think it is the best part of education. It must be a best part of education. If you have education, if you have knowledge, you should be a creative person. But if I talk about formal education, especially for India, so you can say if you just say that if you go to any classroom and you tell the pupils that you draw a height, so mostly people, they draw a height same like that we have drawn before when we was a kid, like in this shape, and they draw a mountains is like that, and there you can say they make a sun little bit, and they and draw a birds like that. So it's not a creativity. Everyone, I think all the classrooms make like that height, some such these things like a scenery, you can say. So it is the all the things, it's not a creativity. And you know that if you just put the answer of your question, so mostly teachers said that whatever notes I made you, you just use that. You are not able to write something with your points, with your views. So that is the thing, you should be creative. And the third one, which is really important, because if you have a good character, so then you can be a good person. Because maybe you would be a good teacher, you would be a good doctor, good engineer, but it's not, I mean, that you have a good character. And without character, you can't be a successful person, you can't be a good person, you can say vital kind of person, righteous person. So that is the thing, and don't compare education for money, because some people, I mean, I'm not saying some people, I think 95% people, they have got education, they have completed their education because
Every
they
person,
want to have
brother.
a job. That is the point. So that's it for my side. Okay.